Hi, everybody. Tom Forgione, and I promise this is going to be the shortest explanation of Facebook ads you've ever seen. When you're done with this 21-second video, you are going to understand how Facebook's ads can help your business. Here you go. First, visitor looks at your Facebook ad on Facebook. Then they click on it to visit your website, or they call, or they click to call to contact you. Then you close them and make money. How's that? That's the fastest explanation I can give you and the simplest explanation I can give you. You don't need to know all the technical details, but there you go. So what are you waiting for? Call now, 732-818-0080. We'll talk for free. Make sure you qualify, and it's going to be a good fit for you. Okay? Have a great day. Thank you.